Welcome to Best Choice. The best Aveeno Face Wash is probably one of the most essential products in any woman's skincare routine. It's the first step towards achieving a fresh, clean, and radiant complexion. But with so many options available, finding the right face wash can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Aveeno Face Wash, exploring its benefits, and helping you decide if it's the perfect fit for your skin. Number 5. Aveeno Ultra Calming Foaming Cleanser and Makeup Remover. This is a gentle foaming facial cleanser from a dermatologist-recommended brand. It is designed to cleanse and calm dry, sensitive skin. It works as both a face wash and makeup remover. This cleanser effectively lifts away dirt, oil, bacteria, and makeup. It does so without overdrying the skin. The formula is designed to be gentle yet effective. The exclusive foaming formula contains calming feverfew extract. This ingredient, related to chamomile, helps visibly reduce the appearance of redness. It also helps calm irritated, sensitive skin. This daily facial cleanser is fragrance-free, soap-free, hypoallergenic, and non-comedogenic. It's gentle enough for everyday use in your regular skincare routine. You can use it without worry. For best results, use it in both the morning and evening. Simply pump the foaming cleanser into your hand or cloth. Massage the lather over your wet face, leaving your skin looking and feeling healthy. Consider using this cleanser with other products from the Aveeno Ultra Calming line. This will help to maximize the benefits and achieve the best results for your skin. It will help you to get a better result. What we like. This cleanser is a makeup remover and face wash in one, making your routine simpler. It also contains calming feverfew to reduce redness. If you have sensitive skin and wear makeup, this product is perfect for you. What people say. It was the only product that did not burn my very irritated skin. The rash quickly cleared up, within 24 hours, the acne too. I'm happy to say I no longer look like a monster from a child's nightmares. It leaves your skin feeling silky smooth, clean, and well hydrated. When you are red and irritated or just have very sensitive skin, this works great. It comes out as a foam and it's also good for makeup removal. This stuff is fragrance-free and simple and does what it's supposed to do. I don't feel like my face is stripped after using it, but I also don't feel like it moisturizes, so I definitely have to use a moisturizer after it. Number 4. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Facial Cleanser. Introducing the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Facial Cleanser. This gentle cleanser is designed to hydrate and soothe sensitive skin. It helps preserve your skin's natural moisture barrier. This cleanser is formulated with nourishing oat and calming feverfew. These ingredients work together to gently cleanse and hydrate your skin, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and healthy. The Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Cleanser is hypoallergenic and fragrance-free. It's specifically designed for sensitive skin. This non-comedogenic formula won't clog pores. To use, massage 1 or 2 pumps onto wet skin. Use a gentle, circular motion, then rinse thoroughly. Pat your face dry for a fresh, hydrated feeling. Aveeno has been a dermatologist-recommended brand for over 70 years. This cleanser, combined with the oat gel moisturizer, is clinically proven to be gentle on eczema-prone skin. Try it today. What we like. This cleanser focuses on hydration and preserving your skin's natural barrier. It is also fragrance-free, which is great for sensitive skin. If you are looking for a gentle cleanser that keeps your skin moisturized, you should consider this one. What people say. Leaves my skin hydrated and smooth. Gentle, not scented, and leaves your skin clean but not stripped or dry. It's super gentle on my sensitive skin and doesn't cause any irritation. After using it, my face feels smooth, soft, and refreshed. Number 3. Aveeno Absolutely Ageless Daily Facial Cleanser. Introducing the Aveeno Absolutely Ageless Nourishing Daily Facial Cleanser. This cleanser is from the dermatologist-recommended brand for over 65 years. It's designed to keep your skin looking youthful. This daily face wash removes 99% of skin-aging impurities, including dirt, oil, and makeup. It is also dermatologist-tested and non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores. The unique formula is made with antioxidant-rich blackberry extract. This helps rejuvenate skin and is clinically proven to help preserve the skin's natural moisture barrier. This hydrating face wash won't overdry skin and is gentle enough for everyday use. It is perfect for your regular skincare routine. For best results, work the face cleanser into a lather and massage onto wet skin. Then, rinse off and pat dry. Use it daily to keep your skin looking youthful. The Aveeno Absolutely Ageless collection is designed to reduce the visible effects of collagen and elastin-depleted skin. Each product is enhanced with an antioxidant-rich blackberry complex. What we like. This cleanser is packed with antioxidants to rejuvenate your skin. It removes impurities and won't clog your pores. If you like the idea of anti-aging benefits in your daily cleanser, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a very gentle cleanser with a light, pleasant scent. My skin has been really clear while using it. It foams up nicely and rinses easily, and I have not found it to be too drying, although I do always follow it up with a moisturizer. Number 2. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser for Dry Skin. Introducing Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser, specially designed for dry skin. This gentle cleanser effectively removes dirt, oil, and impurities, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. This cleanser features a unique prebiotic oat formula. It helps to maintain your skin's natural moisture balance while gently cleansing. It's easy to rinse and leaves your skin feeling soft. Perfect for sensitive and dry skin types, this cleanser is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. It's designed to be gentle, so it won't irritate your skin. It's a great choice for daily use. To use, wet your face with lukewarm water and apply the cleanser in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly and follow with Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Face Cream. This will help to lock in moisture. For over 70 years, Aveeno has been a trusted brand recommended by dermatologists. The bottle is also made with recycled plastic, showing that it cares for your skin and the planet. What we like. This cleanser is specifically designed for dry skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. It also contains prebiotic oat. If you have dry skin and want a cleanser that hydrates while it cleanses, you'll love this. What people say. This product is excellent. It removes dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping my skin of its natural moisture. The soothing oat formula makes my face incredibly soft and supple, not tight or dry like other cleansers. Number 1. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser, 3-pack. Introducing Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser. This cleanser is specially designed for dry and sensitive skin. It gently cleanses and hydrates, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. The secret is the prebiotic oat formula. It helps to renew the skin's surface. This nourishing formula will leave your skin feeling soft and supple. This cleanser is free of parabens, sulfates, fragrances, dyes, and soaps. It's a gentle and eco-friendly choice for your daily skincare routine. To use, wet your face with warm water. Apply the cleanser in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly and follow with your favorite moisturizer. Aveeno has been a trusted brand for over 70 years. This cleanser is dermatologist recommended. It's a great choice for healthy and hydrated skin. What we like. This cleanser is designed to hydrate and soothe your skin. It's free of harsh ingredients like fragrances, parabens, sulfates, dyes, and soaps. If you like a gentle, hydrating cleanser that is free of common irritants, this is a great option. What people say. Gentle and effective face wash. Leaves skin feeling clean and refreshed. Works well for sensitive skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.